This is the design canvas. It's a space to explore ideas, compare designs, and iterate freely, all within the same place as your actual app. Let's design something together. To start, describe what you want in the chat and Agent will generate it on the canvas. For example, you could say, show me 3 variations of a dark mode landing page for a fitness app. Or you could say, create a dashboard mockup of analytics chart. You can ask Agent to design anything. Here I have a travel app that I'm working on, but the design is a bit basic. So I'll type into Agent, show me 3 clean and minimal design variations of this travel app. It may take a few minutes for your design to generate on the canvas, but once it appears, you're in control. You can play around with the frames on the canvas. Drag the corners of the frames to resize. You can add text, shapes to the canvas, and you can also make edits to the specific frames. I like this minimal style a lot, but I want to see if there's a better page layout I could use. I just press the Make Variants button and select Try Different Layouts. Wow, I love this design. Okay, we're going to keep this one and apply it to the actual app. So here's all you do. Click the frame and click Apply To, then select which artifact you want the design to go onto. And that's it! Your design becomes a real buildable artifact in your project. Now you're ready to use the design canvas.